This technology is called uuchinese.com. By searching Chinese pronunciation, I came across this lady. She teaches very good Chinese pronunciation, so I digged into her teaching, and I found her website, and so this is a very complete Chinese pronunciation pinyin chart, and she gave for free, so students can use this to pronounce their pronunciation on their own. But the place I found very useful is on YouTube. When I search UU Chinese, I came to her YouTube channel. She speaks good Chinese and English to help students to learn. So all the basic lesson series on pinyin really helps students to dive into the pinyin one at a time, like a little bite size. Also on her blog, she introduces a lot of culture in a fun way. So all the common idioms, and so it's a great way to learn Chinese from this lady. And it charges money, but for the basics, it's all free. It's all here. So it has been great to see all those learning resources on her website and app. So there's not much games, but there's good resources for download and ebooks and blog. And so for older students, I think this is a great way for them to keep up learning, learning with others, and with plans, and also quizzes, and checking progress. So great website for our students I'm going to use to help my student learn. And for the ISTE, I think Cultivate 3.1.D, cultivate responsible online behavior, including the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology. So it's not a difficult technology, but at least introduce students the basics to know here are the resources, and they can learn. They can use authentic Chinese materials. Very great resource I'm going to use for my students. Thank you.